guys, thanks for tuning into my channel and for tuning into another Lock and Life session with your girl. So guys, we're here today, guys, to update you on our keto and intermittent fasting weight loss journey. Where we starting at? Okay. Let me just say this. I started on March 11th of this year. Again, between the date of March 11th and our current date, I lost 20 pounds, okay? The first update that I came to you guys and gave you guys, which was roughly 2 weeks in, I lost 13 pounds, and that consisted mostly of water weight. Well, guys, we're back again here on May the 18th. So I lost an additional 7 pounds. It's been 2 months. When I did keto and intermittent fasting the first time, by month 2, I was down 35 pounds. I am still intermittent fasting 20 hours a day, and I have a 4-hour eating window. Let me just keep it real with you guys. In my 4-hour eating window, I'm doing my 1,500 calories, but I'm not eating clean. And so I've been really fighting really hard, guys, to get these last few empty carbohydrates out of my diet. I promise to be transparent with you guys, and that's exactly what I'm doing. While I'm sticking to the 1,500 calorie intake a day, I've not been sticking to my macros. So guys, I am trying. I've eliminated most of the unnecessary bad carbohydrates out of my diet, and I just, guys, it's an addiction. It is a real addiction, and I am doing everything that I can and everything that I know to do, and I just need to do it. I realize I just need to do it. So I just want to come and give you guys a brief update. Between the months of March and May, I've lost 20 pounds. Could have lost more had I been doing clean keto. I have not been doing clean keto. I've been basically doing my 1,500 calories a day, but I've not been clean eating. That's where we are, guys. Pray for you, girl. I need it. Been struggling in getting the last little bit of unnecessary carbohydrates out of my diet. And let me just tell you what it is, guys. It is bread. I'm having a hard time with bread. I'm done away with the sodas. I haven't had a soda in 2.5 months. High fructose syrups. I'm not drinking any of that. I can drink water with lemon and I'm good. But I'm having a hard time not having a sandwich. I'm not doing any starches, any pastas, guys, any rice, potatoes. I do like sweet potatoes, so that's another thing that I've been struggling with, because sweet potato is not a keto-approved food. Take it into consideration, it has a high carbohydrate count. And so, yeah, I like my sweet potato hash, guys. I'm struggling right now with the sweet potatoes and the bread. So, when you say your prayers at night, those of you that know the words and the word of prayer, remember Tracy, okay? Because your girl is trying, and that's been my issue. That's why the weight has been kind of coming off really, really slow. And I just need to get my life. I just need to get it together, okay? So guys, I will come back in another month with regards to my keto and intermittent fasting journey to give you guys another update. But I just wanted to come and check in with you guys and let you know, because I promise I'm gonna keep it all the way real in regards to what I'm doing. And I've not been doing everything that I know to do so that the weight would come off, and not just the weight would come off, but so that I could feel better overall. Yeah, that's where we are. We are still pushing. We are still striving to incorporate keto as a permanent lifestyle change and for our lives. So guys, as always, I appreciate your presence on my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, smash the subscribe button, share. Guys, let's dialogue and connect and engage in the comment section. And I will see your beautiful faces in the next video.